Don't do it like that.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm gonna follow you.
That is called a way, just not the way. All right.
I thought this was a thermometer. I was like, holy shit, this thing is
This
it's
thing
gonna
is
blow
hot.
up.
Yeah, I've done. I work at the M school out by Palm Springs, so it gets super hot there. So we do sometimes in M cars, like where we give these really aggressive drift hot laps, and sometimes we have to dial it back just a little bit because it'll be like 115 degrees outside, and after 4 or 5 drifting hot laps, the diff gets really hot.
Yeah, I bet.
It goes into limited performance mode. All right, sit tight right here. Be ready, but sit tight right here. And off we go. So start transitioning your vision over to the left. Good, good. The car go out to the right a little bit. We want to be near that cone, but look to the left. Tap a brake here. Yep, go back to power. Go back to the brake, but start looking to the left. So remember, we don't turn in until that orange cone. That's why we're wide
I'm
here.
too wide up.
Yep. A late turn in is usually much more appropriate. Get your transition your eyes left. Look out the left side window. That's where you want too much speed. Yep, it's all right. You're gonna get it. Start looking to the left. Don't get married to the windshield. A lot of times the information you want is located out a side window. Look at that black car. That's about how far ahead your eyes should be. Just follow that black car with your eyes. On the brake. Hard brake. Don't get too much on his chimney. See how early your turn-in is? You're turning in about a car length before the turn-in point.
Do I go one-hander? Then
on that corner, you can, sure.
Okay.
Keep the car to the right.
Here?
Keep the car to the right, yeah. So what you want to be mindful of is, again, the brake, keep on rolling. The brake application is just as important. In fact, it's more important than the throttle application. So when you go to the brake pedal, it is an attack.